Good evening and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Tonight, I want to go over some of my stock trades for tomorrow. In other words, what is my plan for tomorrow based on a fantastic day today. I have a database of 180 stocks that I know a little bit about. Some stocks I do not know anything about, like CORT, the pharmaceutical company. I don't know anything really about it. We're going to check it out tonight. But each night I run a routine against that 180 stocks and get signals. The RSI buy signal, short, the MACD signals, long and short, whether the zigzag has changed directions, and whether the stock is trading above or below the 50 MA. You can see that there's been a lot of change in the zigzag, which indicates a regime change, which means that in this case it went from a short to a buy, or from a zag to a zig. Likewise, the RSI, and this happens a lot of times, when the zig goes, the RSI swings too. And I'm going to look at these stocks real quick just to see the direction, but we're going to analyze all of them. And I own a lot. I don't need to buy anymore. I'm running out of money, but I might do some option plays on AMT, CORT, MITK, TECHI, and TREE. TECHI is another stock I've never played before, long or short, or we'll find out a little bit about that. So I'm going to research these 5 and skip the rest because I'm already in NEO. It's a losing trade, but not by much anymore. NVIDIA, PayPal. I think I closed PayPal out today. KTOS. So I'm in a lot of these stocks already. This is my Omni Broker program, and here's my routine that I run each night. And here's my buy singles and my short singles. There isn't any. And here's the buy. And then you can click on these things and go down quickly. We're going to look at close attention to the zigzag. And 2 bars after the zigzag, that's when you can take these trades, because you can't take the zigzag until you wait 2 bars, because the zigzag looks to the future. So, and we're not able to do that in the real stock market. So you have to wait 2 bars. And then when you have a regime change, and the RSI or the MAC has switched, you can go in that direction. First one is AMT. It's a tower, American tower. BIDU, zigzag has switched. RSI, moving up. Momentum is going green. It's another pharmaceutical company that was going straight up, and now the last 8 to 10 days it's been down and going to switch. This is actually good buy. Going back to VEEV, I'm actually going to look at that for options tomorrow, so I'm going to put it on my list as well. We've got CORT here. That is one of the stocks I'm going to look at for option plays. CRSP, cure for cancer. Nice upswing. I'm going to put that on my list for option plays too. CRSP. CrowdStrike, I'm in on this play, and they're in on the right direction. EPAM, up. LAC, I was in and sold it and only made a little profit today. Lithium was on the list yesterday, and it would have been a good play. LULU, I'm in, and it's going in my direction. MELI, MITK, I'm in. Monolithic Power, not in. Marvel, I believe I own. NEO, losing trade, but it's going in my direction. Nevada, going in the right direction. Okta, right direction, not in. Never played it. Telsa, not in. Tree was one of the option plays I'm going to look at. Buy, definitely in the right direction. Like the looks of it. PayPal, right direction. TECHI, which is one of the option plays, but I've never played it before. TDOT, ZM, KTOS, which I'm in. Lots to choose from. All looking good. But the problem with RSI, again, and I might have mentioned it before, is that they all switch at the same time, and you can't buy everything, and you could start running out of money. That's why I'm looking at options, because they're a little cheaper. So let's look at American Tower, CORT, MITK, TECHI, TREE, VEEV, and CRSP for option plays. The first one on the list is American Tower, and it's a strong buy. Target price at 273, trading at 213, 214. Lots of room there. Outperformed. This looks like a good long. Strong buy, consensus. Hedge fund activity is increasing. The technicals were negative. I agreed with that. in the last 20 days. It was, and it's a profitable company. Veston Towers. There's the top, and it's been zagging, and now I'm hoping it's going to zig in. There's the price target again. Earnings date is May. That looking good. EPS is positive. PE ratio is positive. This is a profitable company. This is good. So I'll see what the options are in the morning and see if I can go ahead and find an option just under the current price, because I believe the price is going to come up. So, and I would hope that it would stay above the current price for the next 30 bars or 45 days. AMT on my list. The next stock is CORT. They're rating at a buy. It's trading at 25, 33, some distance. That's good. Underperform, not good. Not when we're going long. Hedge funds are going out, and I don't put too much light in these. Technicals starting to become positive. Market cap is high enough. PE ratio is positive. It's profitable. Earnings day is May. I say no to CORT. MITK trading at 15, almost 16, and 22. That's some distance. That's good. Outperform. That's good because we're going in a positive direction. Hedge fund activity. That's good. Strong buy. Bullish. All that looks good. Technicals and momentum looks in our direction. Fundamentals. This is a 5G stock. PE is positive. It's profitable. Earnings date is early May. Okay, there. Price target. Let's see how it looks tomorrow. MITK for a buy. Option play. Option play. Now I realize why I haven't played this before. 10 cent. This is a China stock. I've only become interested in recently. Strong buy. This is nice. 13 days to earning. I'm gonna say no. Let's just quickly look up here on what this is outperform. I'm gonna say no because I need to do too much research and see what the option chains look like for this company. As I said, I never traded it. Interesting though. This is definitely an interesting stock. It should be on your list somewhere. 246 target price. 340 like that. Moderate buy like that. Underperform, don't like that. Not knowing anything else about it, I'm staying away. Two more on my list. Viva, 261. I've been waiting for a pullback for this stock. Moderate buy. Target 327. Like it. I like this stock. Outperformed. That's one of the reasons why. I must have knew that. A 10. Hedge fund activity increased. I like that. Like that. Like that. This is it provides crowd-based solutions for the medical world. This is what I was talking about. Look at that straight up. Then it's been floating around here. Then we had our pullback. This is what I've been waiting for. And to go long. If you could find an option where the stock price will stay above 260, it's worthwhile looking at. VEV, I'm going to definitely look at and try to get in on tomorrow as an option trade. And the last one is CRISPR. 133, 134, 168. A lot of distance. Good job. Moderate buy. Good. Like it. It's a cure for cancer. A 5. I've got better things on my list to do, and I don't have a whole lot of money. So I might wait for this to see what we got. As head fund activity decreased. I don't like that. And the dividend date, the earnings date, middle of May. I was looking for this pullback. I'm going to skip CRISPR. So let's go back to our list. So looking back, these are all worth taking a look for a buy. But I'm running out of money, so I'm going to look at AMT for option play tomorrow. Skipping CORT. MITK is on the list for an option play. This would have been, but I'm going to hold off. Lending Tree is not. I'm skipping it. And CRISPR is not. But we added VEV, but CRISPR is not on our option list. So basically, I'm just looking at 3. AMT, MITK, and VEV. I don't know how you guys are doing your due diligence or checking out your signals, but this is how I do mine. Hope this helps. Now, I'd just like to go over real briefly about this options play stuff. And just say you have a stock that traded at 20 and then dropped zigzag, and zagging to 10. And then it zigged back up to 25, and then it's zagged to 15, and now it's turning up, much like we have for a lot of stocks on my watch list today. That's what's happening. It went up, came back, pulled back 10 a day or 18 days, whatever. And now it's turning up in the last 3 or 4 days and looking like it's going to go up. Especially with the market and the optimism in the market, it's most likely going to do that. So, if I could find an option play that says that the stock price will stay above $14 for the next 30 bars or 45 days, and you can sell this any time, by the way, you'd have a winner, especially if this stock goes and travels up. So that's likewise if you had an option play that said, hey, I think the stock is going to stay above $9 for the next 30 bars. And it surely did. And you would have gotten whatever your option price, and you can buy these options, or you can sell these options, or you can spread them, credit spreads. Anyways, likewise, you can go down and say, look, I think the stock is going to be below $21 for the next 45 days. And it was, and you would have won that option play. So that's what I do. Basically, I'm betting that based on where I'm at, that the option and the price would stay above whatever my option strike is. And you really can't predict these this is at evening. You have to wait till the morning when you see what's happening, because the option pricings constantly change. Watch a video on credit spreads or debit spreads, or just buying an option or selling an option. There's tons of that out there, but that's basically what I'm doing. Instead of buying the stock, because I don't have as much money, I'm running out of money, I buy, in my case, I like to sell options and get the money. When you sell, you get money. When you buy, you have to pay money. And that's what I'll do for 3 or 4 of the stocks. I'll sell a credit spread or something like that and get money from my bank account. Of course, I'm going to produce a video later, but right now I just wanted to cover briefly what I'm talking about when I say I'm going to do an option trade in the morning. Man, I hope tomorrow is as good as today. Happy trading. Please like and subscribe. I need the subscribers. Catch you tomorrow. There's lots of stocks to choose from tomorrow. There's lots of stocks that have changed their regime from going down to going back up. You must decide whether you're optimistic or pessimistic. But make sure you do your own due diligence. Do not rely on anything I've said tonight. Do not rely on what I'm going to do tomorrow. Decide for yourself and make some money.